Hi, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss something relevant behind the financial accounting, and this topic is mainly focusing about the taxations from income tax, and this is the problem. I will discuss the problem, and main part of this video I'm going to deliver based on design thinking. Did you know the design thinking? The SNS institution implementing. Did you know? Did you anyone tell that 5 stages of design thinking? Does anybody know? Okay, I'll tell you. We have the 5 stages of design thinking. Okay, the first stage of design thinking is empathize stage. Second one is define and ideate, then prototype and test. We have the 5 stages, and this case I'm going to solve this design thinking 5 stages based on this problem. Okay? Shall we do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In this problem, income tax system based on the significant challenges and affects the taxpayers, governments, and also administrators also. A common people's problems is a complexity of income tax filing is the main problem anywhere, and also compliances, and which leads to how voluntary compliances and compliances rates, error returns, and high administrative works, and also costs, and narrow tax basis. And then first hindrances, many countries like India also, only a small percentage of population files returns, around 5%, resulting in a low revenue enquiry and overburdens existing taxpayers due to issue like OPQ process and the indications, prawn provisions, and uncoordinated systems also is there. And this is the main problem of discouraging the participation, increasing aviations of in India, and fails to meet goals, fairness and efficiency. This is the main problem of that income tax filing and the compliances also. We need to deliver or conclude this case based on the design thinking. What is the first stage of design thinking? Empathy stage. Now, empathizing the stage is okay. First empathy stage is the understanding and what is the pain point of the case. That is the understanding level of the empathy stage. In this stage, the case is basing a tax filing and compliances. Both are involving, and this here the understanding and the needs and also pain point is having these start by gaining a deep significant into user experience without assumptions. This involves the interactiveness and observations and empathy map to capture what taxpayers see, feel, and need. Did you anybody parents paying a tax in your home? No taxpayers, is there anything? No. Okay. And then the work infrastructure of constituting forms and the control, and small business owners vary in operators and the low income groups detected by the high rate of compliances cost, fair and audits also. Then research might relevance issue like difficult to find information on websites also. Do you have any questions in this pain point problem?
What is the tax of social benefits?
Yeah, social benefits. We all know about the income tax. All know about? Little bit. Tax is the main government revenue in India. So this revenue is going to rotate for people's services, and also giving facilities to live good people in Indian citizens also. This is the main benefit for paying taxes. Then, and next one is define stage. The clearly aggregate and core problem of this problem is middle income taxpayers and needs players, and a transparent income filing process, and also because this current system is the error prone and time consumption leading and how organizes revenue shortness, and we need to avoid here the definitions like minimize taxes and instead allow by long-term goals like inquiry and increases, and in reforms the stage high challenges and sinking the tax base don't stop areas causing this also. Then define not just a symptom but broadcasters such as a lack of users, friendliness in a digital tool. And this is the such a lack of user friendliness in a digital tool. Then ideal stage, brainstorm creative solution. And what is the problem we find is one of the first problem is a brainstorm and the creative solution is we going to find out through digital fully generated deserve with a judgment involving a multidisciplinary terms like for example tax experts and designers, taxpayers and also and brainstorm option is like a pre-filed returns using automated data and employers tax, AI chatbots and also having a gamified filings engagement, interactive platforms like income successness sources and also faces assessments to reduce rates and speeds. This is the main idea of this case study. And next we are going to discussing the prototype. How this case we are going to solve using our brainstorm tool. What we find about this idea regarding this problem? This is a creative low cost and tangible version of tax flexibility and develop Mobica like a simplified app interface in nowadays and also filing, storyboard and user journey pilot programs for pre-filed forms in tax contexts and prototype stages such as the relational income tax and union system in central and state government coordinations and evolving cost flexibility and alignment with the goal. For department prototype is streamlined works for reporting the auditors. This prototype will give a very quick answer and very quick solution for every taxpayers for Indian taxation department. And next one is a test stage and gather a real user feedback after this prototype refilling based on the results. Roll some pilots, for example, beta testing and a new filing app to the user group and measure metrics like compliances rate, error detections and satisfactions. Look back if needed. And if users find a pre-filed data in a period, prevents empathy. Successful examples includes assurance taxation office using design thinking for a user-friendly online services, reducing cost and improving feedback in India. When reform like faceless assessments and pre-filed returns have been tested interactively to enhance transparency and raise and resist challenges like a new limitations is also. And this is our resolution of this. And now, did you find something about this taxation in the smart digital world?
This puts charge and comments on an example.
Yes, we have find some one example for this. Writing tax basis. We know the tax basis on how to looping system in India. One of the government and the other one is the state government. We have both government taxes in India implementing till 2017 also in GST form. You all know about GST? This is also